Hey guys, I am back with another YouTube video. It's me, Avi, and I'm going to be doing a house tour, Bloxburg house tour. So, here is the front of my house. It's pretty basic. I used to have flowers here, but they died because I did not water them. And let's go inside. Okay, so here I have plants and the rug. I have this kind of unique wall because I didn't want it to be so basic. And when my friends joined, hold on, let me see who that is. Okay, I don't know her, so like they're not all white and bright because sometimes it gets bright. Then I have this poster, but let's check out my garage. So my garage, I have cleaning supplies for when I role play. My kids can do chores and not just watch TV all day, you know. And here I have my car. It's just a normal white car, not the expensive ones, just the normal one. And here I have a picture of Juice WRLD. If you don't know who he is, look him up. And he died, so rest in peace, RIP. And then here is my room. I have Cardi B, I know. Don't judge me. Here's like my dresser with makeup and stuff, hair stuff. Laundry basket, my nightstand, my nice bed, and my desk where I can do some work or look at the. Oh yeah, I don't even have cameras. Never mind. Okay, here's the bathroom. It's pretty basic. It's not really anything that good, but I just tried with it. I didn't really want to be all extra for it because I also want to try to save money. Okay, and here is my kids' room. The light switch is all the way over here because there's no space here, but it's fine. So here I have a purple wall, so it's not like so bright. And here is the bunk bed with two girls. And here is the computer or desk where they can do like schoolwork because of Corona, but now we don't have schoolwork anymore because school's over. We have a little plushie, a carpet, and the dresser with the mirror. I guess aesthetic poster, bookshelf, and a picture of Finn Wolfhard or painting. Now let's go to the bathroom. So in the bathroom, it's basically the same, just a little bit smaller. So yeah, that's the bathroom. So now we're gonna go out here. So this is the living room. I have this shelf with trophies. I have more, but they just don't fit in well because they're so big. And I also have a, I forgot what they're called. Oh my god. A phone thing, whatever, to order pizza or invite my friends. And here I have a picture of Melanie Martinez. Every person that I have a poster of is because I love their music. So there I have Melanie Martinez, and I have a weird taste in music. Well, not weird, like I have so many different styles of music that I listen to. Then here I have a bookshelf and a clock. And here's the couches with a rug and a TV and a plant. And then I also have another like different wall, so it's not all bland. Then here's the kitchen, a poster, the small table. I didn't really want a big table, plus I don't really know if it will look that good. And here I just have more counters, one bag of potato chips because I need to go shopping, and more counters and stuff. So that is basically my whole house. I don't have a backyard. I might make one, but that's basically it for what I do and what I have in my house. So if you guys like this video, give it a like, subscribe, and comment down below. And comment down below what you guys want me to do next. I will be doing Mary Star Planet and Roblox. So yeah, hope you guys enjoyed the video. Bye.